All right. Good Thursday morning. We're right before the holiday weekend. And he's thanking man. So basically you had this rundown. We did a classic Fibonacci retrace of the 50%, and now we're pulling back. We're already at 60% of this run up right here. So I mean, if it breaks this, then we're going down. We're going to have another run to the bottom. Probably test this. I wanted to see a higher high on this. I was hoping we would test up here, but that didn't look like it. I mean, it could still be a trend reversal pattern, and oh, I'm not showing that here. So we could still see that trend reversal pattern. We're down 50. Let's look at what that translates to on the S&P. All right, so we obviously close that gap and then some. We're coming down to test this trend line again. Like I said, this trend line goes way back, and this is the area that I'm looking for a trend reversal. This should be a good support area. And I mean, things are weak. The economy's weak. Sentiment's weak. I'm still looking at, if we break this low, I'm still looking at that 33.10 bottom. But I'm going to keep an eye over here and see how we react once we get down to the 48 mark. And we might be, yeah, we're close, man. We're close. We're 20 points off of that. So we might see that this week. Let's see if we could bounce off of that, because that'll be a higher low, and that's a classic trend reversal setup. Really, the entry, conservative entry, would be an entry on the break of the 39.45, or aggressively you can go previous day's high. So we'll see that. Look, we got this gap over here too, so I don't know. I'm still going to look at it. I mean, if we close this gap and bounce off of that, we're still looking at a trend reversal pattern. We have a deviation right here on this low to this low. You can see that aggressive move down, and this low, these lows didn't really do much. And then, I mean, it looks like we're building a deviation here. So we'll see. We'll have to see, man. I'm hoping to get one red finger and turn around next week, Monday. Yeah, nobody's gonna make a move, man. Monday is a holiday. It's a long weekend. Nobody's gonna get too involved this week. I don't think. You got Putin out there kicking his feet because of Finland and Sweden. So, I mean, it's risk off. 4th of July, America's independence. It's a good day to make a statement too, right? So anyway, that's it, man. That's what it's looking like to me. That's what I'm waiting for. Gonna let this week go. It looks like a lot of people are letting this week go. You got this double top on interest rates. If we could push down below 30.05, it's going to trigger that double top and continue to move down, which means people are buying bonds. Look, the VIX is under 30. She popped up. But still under 30. That's not bad. BTC. All right, we're just going to let that bad boy float on down. Just a risk-off environment. So, you know what? Watch the volatility. Your bias should be to the downside. Good luck trading.